Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-UA3 compact music player speaker, Bluetooth speaker, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this device not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing, or if it just seems to be not responding, or if it's not working in any kind of way, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, the other reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to get this back to the way it was when it was new coming out of the box, we can just go ahead and do that really easily. The first thing we need to do is just unplug it from the wall and just leave it unplugged for at least 3 minutes. After those 3 minutes are up, we're just going to come in and press and hold the power button. And while we press and hold the power button, we can go ahead and plug the unit back in. Just keep holding the power button, keep holding the power button, keep holding the power button until you see here on the display just a bunch of dashes across the display. Once there's a bunch of dashes across the display, that basically means the reset is complete. You can go ahead and release the power button and go ahead and set this up as a brand new device.